You open your phone for just 1 minute, and suddenly an hour is gone. Your brain feels fried, your eyes sting, and you still haven't done the worm thing you meant to do today. You're not lazy, you're overstimulated. That constant low-level buzz in your head, the guilt mixed with exhaustion, the feeling that everyone else is handling life better than you. A couple years ago, I was working remotely, proud of how connected I was. Phone always in hand, notifications on, checking Slack, email, Instagram, news, sometimes all at once. I'd finish the day with nothing meaningful done, head pounding, snapping at people I love for no reason. I thought I just needed to try harder. Then one weekend, I forgot my charger on a short trip. Phone died. At first, it was uncomfortable, almost itchy. For 2 full days, I had nothing. For a few days, I had nothing. But by the second day, something shifted. My thoughts slowed down. I could actually finish a conversation without distraction. I came home, made a few small changes, and within a week, I felt like a different person. First rule, starve the overload. Your brain gets overstimulated because it's being bombarded with more inputs than it can process. Every ping, every colorful thumbnail, every urgent banner is designed to grab attention. It's like trying to drink from a fire hose. Constant notifications and endless scrolling trigger quick hits of dopamine. Your brain starts craving more, even when it leaves you drained. It's the same loop as junk food. Tastes good in the moment, terrible later. Right now, go to your phone settings and turn off notifications for every app that isn't essential: texts, calls, calendar. Leave only what truly matters. Set a 30-minute no-phone window every day, same time if possible. Start with after dinner or first thing in the morning. Switch your phone to grayscale. It's in accessibility settings. Color is a big part of what makes apps addictive. Without it, the pull weakens dramatically. Most people notice the mental fog lifting within 2 to 3 days of doing just these. Second rule, let your brain breathe. Set a timer for 2 minutes right now and do absolutely nothing. It'll feel weird, that's the point. No phone, no music, no thinking about your to-do list. Just sit and notice what happens. Take one walk, one shower, one meal, or one commute without any audio or screens. Let your mind wander. Build deliberate boredom into your day. Create a boring corner in your home, a chair or spot with no screens, no books, no distractions. Use it for 5 to 10 minutes daily. This isn't meditation with rules. It's just giving your brain the empty space it's been starving for. Third rule, rebuild on purpose. Make a short focus list of 3 things that actually move your life forward, not tasks, outcomes like health, relationships, work that matters. Keep it visible. Start your day by asking, what's the one thing that would make today feel meaningful? Do that before opening any app. Use app blockers or inbuilt focus modes to make social media and YouTube available only after a certain time or only in specific blocks. Make the default state off. Do this and you flip the script. You're not broken, you're not weak, you're not behind. You're just tired. Tired in a way our brains were never designed to handle. And the fact that you're here watching this means you're already starting to change it. So remember, starve the overload, let your brain breathe, rebuild on purpose. 3 rules, small actions, real results. If this hit home even a little, hit the like button. And if you want more practical videos like this, subscribe. See you in the next one.